Hello, good morning, my dear children. Welcome to Jhankar Parsala. Myself, Ravindra Kumar Jhankar. Welcome you all to today's class. And today we are going to learn grammar. And in grammar, we have to discuss and learn what is adjective. So our topic is adjectives. It is also called as describing words. So watch the video, enjoy the video and learn with fun. Adjectives, or it is also known as describing words. So here we can see the first picture and there is a sentence. This is a beautiful garden. This is a beautiful garden. Now you can see another picture. It is followed by a sentence. It's a brownie bee. It's a brownie bee. Next picture we have given, there are two parrots. So sentence you can write, there are two parrots. There are two parrots. Now I can see another picture followed by a sentence. This is a big rhinoceros. This is a big rhinoceros. So in these four sentences, in sentence 1, the word beautiful describes what kind of garden is. It describes the noun garden. In sentence 2, the word brownie describes what color the bee has. It describes the noun bee. In third sentence, the word two describes how many parrots there is. It describes the noun parrots. In fourth sentence, the word big describes the size of the rhinoceros. It describes the noun rhinoceros. So here in these four sentences, the words beautiful describes garden, brownie describes bee, two describes parrots, big describes rhinoceros. Once again, the words beautiful describes garden, brownie describes bee, two describes parrots, big describes rhinoceros. So the words beautiful, brownie, two and big are called describing words or adjectives. So the words beautiful, brownie, two and big are called describing words or adjectives. So come to the definition. Words which describe some persons or things are called adjectives. Words which describe some persons or things are called adjectives. All describing words are adjectives. All describing words are adjectives. So now here also you have given two pictures. The leopard is wild, but the parrot is pet. The leopard is wild, but the parrot is pet. Now come to the next pictures. Oak tree is huge, but its sapling is small. Oak tree is huge, but its sapling is small. Now come to the next pictures. The woman is old, but the girl is young. The woman is old, but the girl is young. So in these sentences, the words wild describes the leopard, pet describes the parrot, huge describes the oak, small describes the sapling, old describes the woman, and young describes the girl. So, an adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. An adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. So, the word that describes a noun or pronoun or adds to the meaning of a noun is called an adjective. So, the word that describes a noun or pronoun or adds to the meaning of a noun is called an adjective. So dear children, I hope you understood the topic. Adjective, that is describing words. Now come to the exercise. You have to practice yourself and you can evaluate yourself how much you understood the topic. So number 1, underline the describing words or adjectives in the following sentences. Here I have given 5 sentences and you have to underline the words which are describing words or adjectives. So first sentence, this is a lovely rose. You know very well which one is the describing words. You have to underline. B, always eat fresh food. Here also you know very well. You have to underline the adjective or describing word. Asoka was a wise king. Yes, you can also know and you know very well. D, lions are strong animals. Here also you can underline the description. Now come to question number 2. Number 2, put the adjectives in the blank spaces from the following list. You have given a box, a list of words have given, and you have to fill in the blanks. The blanks you have to write the proper adjectives. Okay. So in the box we have given sweet, black, hot, beautiful, 6. And sentence, first sentence, crows are dash. You have to find out from the box. B, fire is dash. C, spider has dash legs. D, flowers are dash. E, mangoes are dash. So in this way you can complete the sentence by filling the correct adjective in the blanks. Number 3, choose the right adjectives. A, a buffalo has, you have given 2 options, 3 or 2 horns. You have to put tick mark in the correct adjective. B, an elephant has big or small eyes. C, it is good to drink boiled or unboiled milk. We should kind or cruel to animals. E, rasgullas are sweet or sour in taste. So in this way you have to complete your exercise and you have to evaluate yourself how much you understood the topic. Adjectives, that is describing words. Okay. So thank you dear children for attending the class, watching the video, and I think you enjoyed the class and you have learned with fun. So thank you. Bye bye.